Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to close apps on Apple Watch Series 7. Let's have a look. First, press and release the side button once. Scroll the list of open apps using the digital crown button. Swipe left on the app card of the app that you want to close once you find the app. Tap the cross sign on the red box to close app. Repeat this process for any other apps that you wish to close manually. So these are the steps to close apps on Apple Watch Series 7. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.